Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I wanted to touch base about the Brambila method and give you guys some updates and behind the scenes on what to expect if you're thinking about joining. If you're looking to make money online, this is my favorite place to start because not only does it teach 4 different side hustles, it teaches affiliate marketing and how to use affiliate marketing within each of the side hustles to help you begin to make money without having to spend any money. And for beginner affiliate marketers and entrepreneurs, that's important because we want to make sure this stuff works before we fully go all in and invest, at least most of us. So anyway, let's get into it. I'm going to share my screen and kind of give you guys a little idea of what to expect. Okay, so now we're logged in and this is the back office of the Brambila method, and this is what you will see if you decide to join. So you'll see an introduction. You'll learn more about Adrian Brambila and his awesome story of why he chose to make this course. If you don't know him, Adrian Brambila is a 8-figure online earner. He became interested in entrepreneurship through his grandma. She was born and raised in Mexico and, started a side hustle of her own, trying to make ends meet, feed her family, and came into the US where Adrian was then later born and taught him the foundation of entrepreneurship that he has successfully grown with his company today. So in the Brambila method, you'll learn how to make money through gigs like Fiverr, how to create mini courses, how to use Upwork, and how to do print on demand. This course is consistently updated. What I can tell you from personal experience with this course, for me, I did do Fiverr, Upwork, and print on demand, and both Fiverr and Upwork has successfully worked for me, like more than anything else. They brought in the clients that are specific for my niche, like affiliate management, which is what I specialize in. I've brought in clients through Fiverr for affiliate management. I've brought in clients through Upwork for affiliate management. And this is without having any reviews, any proof of me as a person being a seller on either of these sites. These are people that were looking for a specific specialty that I had to offer and reached out to me, and then it worked out. I've landed a 6-figure affiliate management job for a website company that makes more than $1 million per month. And that was just from me uploading my resume to Upwork. And they found me on there because businesses and entrepreneurs are looking for specific work and they go to these places to find the right candidate to hire. So definitely don't underestimate these side hustles because from personal experience, they work, and from others who have done this too. There's been so much feedback from seeing others make the same type of results that I have. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the affiliate marketing aspect of this course. You can see down here, there's lots that they offer. They offer tech setup. For those of you who haven't taken other affiliate marketing courses like I have, this is your holy grail, because learning how to set up a funnel, domain, learning how to set up an email sequence, all those things can be very challenging and feel like a second language almost to those that don't know how to do it. So the fact that Adrian and Dom have put together step by step the software that they recommend, how to do it, how to create your own funnel, not just giving it to you and then you not really knowing what to do with it. Step by step, the whole process. Like I said, they've added so much to this. So any questions that might come up that you want to know how to, write your first email or set up a WordPress or learn how to do some SEO research, this is going to be so beneficial. Okay, now let's talk about what you could expect if you decide that this is a good fit for you. For one, it's not open 24/7. You can access the Brambila method from the 15th through the end of every month. The doors close on the 1st and won't reopen again until the 15th. So you have that 2-week window to get access and get in. Once you're in, you'll have the opportunity to access live training each day of the course, day 1 through 8. Each day of the training, you're going to have access to Dom and Adrian live each day to walk you through each day, answer any questions you have, and be part of a community of others who are just getting started too. And if you can't make it to the live, they'll have the recording put up after so you can view too. the cool thing about once you purchase, there's no hidden fees after that. There's opportunity to advance when you're ready to do paid ads. That opportunity never goes away. But you have access to the full course and the bonuses. And you're part of a Facebook community of like-minded individuals, all ready to learn and excited about starting a new journey. So if you want to get in on this opportunity, the only way to get in is through the beta testers like me. Now we are just affiliates because the beta test is over. But through the affiliates, there's only 100 affiliates, and each affiliate only has 100 spots to give each month. So if you'd like access, don't wait on this opportunity. Definitely check out the link in the description and let me know if you have any questions. Wherever you're watching this video, there should be a link for communication. My email is always listed. So reach out. I'm happy to help you guys along the way. I'm super passionate about this course because it's truly helped me go to a whole new level with my business, where before, as an affiliate marketer, I just felt a little scattered. I didn't really have a sense of direction. This helped me find my sense of direction, really specialize on where I want to focus my energy and my time. And it helped me find opportunities that honestly I didn't even know existed. So if this feels like the right opportunity for you, definitely get in while there's still time. And I look forward to seeing you in the Facebook group with our community. And don't forget to subscribe. It helps me a ton and I appreciate you guys. Reach out if you need me. My email is always below.